Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Word version and build you're running. This matters because compatibility options differ. Once done, save a backup copy to avoid data loss. Make sure to use Save As and a new name. Next, close other Office apps to prevent file locks. Then open the document you want to change and keep the status bar visible. Finally, note whether the file is docx or doc. This determines the direction of the compatibility change. You now perform the core change. Go to File, then Info, and choose Convert if upgrading from doc to docx. This updates the file format and enables modern features. If you need to inspect limitations, choose Check for issues and then check compatibility to see which features behave differently. Once reviewed, open File Options Advanced and use the compatibility options to target a specific previous Word version if necessary. This preserves layout for recipients using older Word releases. You finish by saving the converted file and verifying critical elements. Check track changes, macros, and embedded objects to ensure nothing lost. Once saved, test the document on the target Word version or look for the compatibility mode indicator on the status bar to confirm behavior. If layouts shift or features break, revert immediately to your backup, compare differences, and apply specific compatibility tweaks in Options Advanced. One key troubleshooting tip: if something fails, restore the backup and change only one setting at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.